welcome back to Chef Super Chido. What do we got on the menu today? Tacos Gobernadores, made with chile poblano, onions, tomatoes, garlic, etc. And you will see. It's a Mexican dish, very, very delicious. So watch and learn, and don't get burned.
Now, we're going to start by cutting our chiles poblanos. We're going to use 2 of them and cut it up into small squares. Our next ingredient, we're going to use half a red onion and cut it up into small squares. Dice and slice. What do we have here? Tomatoes. Same thing. We're going to use 2 and cut it up into small squares. Now we're going to use 3 garlic cloves and mince the hell out of them. Mince, mince, mince. I'm not convinced. Now for our pan, we're going to put just a little bit of butter, put it in there, mix it all up, and then we're going to put a little bit of oil. Not too much, just like a tablespoon. Now let's add our peppers in there and mix all that up. This step is optional. You can use whatever you have on hand, but I like to use Flavor God. It's really, really good. So I suggest you buy it. Now we're gonna put our shrimp in. We're gonna mix it around, cover it up, and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. And again, this is done in a medium-high heat. After 2 minutes, we wanna, oops, what happened there? We wanna move it around and again, put it back on and let it sit for another minute. Now we're gonna add some salt and pepper, and this is to your liking. It doesn't have to be a little, you don't wanna overdo it, but you get the point. Now, we're gonna make a little circle in the middle, a little empty circle, and then we're gonna put in our chipotle peppers. We are using 3 of them with sauce and all. And then we're gonna chop them all up. As we're chopping them up, we're gonna keep stirring this. And if you see big chunks, again, feel free to, keep smashing it until they get smaller and smaller. Now we're gonna put 3 to 2 tablespoons of Mexican crema. That's Mexican sour cream. mix it all around, and let that all mix together and blend in. Now we're gonna add about a handful of cheese. Nothing too crazy, just a little bit. Just to give it that cheesy flavor in there. Now for our tortillas. You wanna get a plate, put a little bit of oil on there, and for each tortilla you put on the griddle, you wanna put just, a little glaze of oil on there, so it gets that little bit of flavor on there, of that oil. Now we're gonna put some cheese on there. And now our shrimp concoction. Look at that, oh boy. And just keep turning them over.
And we're back. Now this is a very easy recipe. You can make it any day of the week, doesn't matter. Prep time could be anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes, depending how fast you cut and clean the chiles. Doesn't matter, right? But it does, depending how hungry you are. So let's eat this and see how it tastes. Cheese is stuck to the plate. Just turn off the camera. I told you to turn it off that way. I don't want to continue with the video because I need some hot sauce, man. Right now, I'll tell you to hit record. You recording? All right, well, I don't even know what to say. It's really good, man. Like, I try to do it over just so I can enjoy this. Maybe eat like the last taco or something. But these are fire! Lumbre. Oh my God. All the stuff I put out, I always say it's good, it's delicious, you should make it. But no, seriously, like even the simple stuff, I like to put out just because I want you guys to make it and see for yourself, not just take my word for it. But this really is fire. I mean, I got burned. Or you're watching, I'm getting burned. So thank you for tuning in. Again, please make this. Like, it is just incredible. But don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. Please leave comments, even after you've made it. So watch and learn, and don't get burned.